The lilac-breasted roller is a strikingly beautiful bird with stunning plumage. It has a vivid mix of colors including lilac on the breast, bright blue on the wings and belly, and green on the head. This colorful appearance makes it one of the most visually striking birds in Africa. These birds are known for their impressive aerobatic displays during mating rituals and territorial fights. They perform acrobatic dives and rolls, which is how they got their name roller. Though not known for melodic songs, the lilac-breasted roller has a range of harsh, rasping calls. These sounds are often used for communication between mates or to deter intruders from their territory. These birds typically nest in natural tree cavities or abandoned woodpecker nests. Both parents share the responsibility of incubating the eggs and feeding the chicks. They are known for their territorial behavior, especially during the breeding season. The feathers of the lilac-breasted roller exhibit iridescence, meaning their color can change slightly when viewed from different angles. This adds to their striking appearance in natural light. Despite their bright colors, lilac-breasted rollers can be surprisingly elusive. They often stay high in the trees or on elevated perches, making it difficult for ground predators to reach them. In the wild, lilac-breasted rollers can live up to 10 years. However, their lifespan can be affected by environmental factors and predation. Lilac-breasted rollers are monogamous and often form long-term pair bonds. The pairs can be seen working together to defend their territory and raise their young. They exhibit a unique feeding behavior, where they often beat their prey against a perch to kill it or make it easier to eat. This helps them manage even the tougher or more resistant prey. Some populations of lilac-breasted rollers undertake seasonal movements in response to rainfall and food availability. They may move to more arid regions during the rainy season and vice versa. The lilac-breasted roller undergoes a complete molt annually. This process helps maintain the vibrant quality of their feathers and ensures they are in peak condition for the breeding season.